Hello, guys. Hello, hello. Just let me know if you guys could hear me. Everything should be fine. Everything should be fine. Just let me check if you guys could hear me, then we will start. Hello, guys. Yeah. Just let me know if you guys could hear me. Yeah. Just let me know if you guys could hear me. Yeah, everything is fine. Couple of things I'm in a more of like concern watching right now. Still bearish. This is a 15-minute chart on Bitcoin. We have this quite a bit of thingy going on, which is this President Trump speech, which is in here going on. He could say anything. He could say anything, and it's been like his speech started like 1:30, so it's been more than an hour. He's still speaking. Like I, I don't know. We should have to be concerned about what he's saying, but I have not even looked into that. But um, he could say anything. Market could do anything without no reason. There's no technical on this, I would say that. So technically speaking, I would say I'm bearish on charts. Yesterday we have seen a bearish price section from the market, and now I wanted to see from the market that this is lo- these lows in here are quite obvious to me right now. The way we have seen a rejection coming back inside weekly fair value gap. This was the monthly fair value gap high as well. Did not hold this area as well, and we this is the weekly fairly gap low, and now this is the value area low of the range as well. I can see that there's no point from the market to maybe try to disrupt these lows as well. So this is what I'm leaning at right now, bearish, because overall we're still bearish on jazz. And we have this news coming going up tomorrow. We have a GDP news coming up 1:30, and we have Friday quite a bit of news as well coming up throughout this. So far I have not taken any trade. No, we have taken just one trade on Monday. It was very small trade. My risk management was good. I was trading against my edge. I got stopped out. I was like not touching the market. I just held myself. After that, we have not taken any trade till now. Yesterday there was a couple of trades, good opportunities. And we missed them. I missed them. I missed those opportunities yesterday, just because of, I would say it was my fault, because the reason is I was not mentally, there was a lot of things going on in my mind, irrational things, and that was completely distracted me from charts. I was in front of the charts, but my mind was like somewhere else. I was like, bro, how you cannot do, which is what you should not do. If you're in that stage, you have to be like, not to be pushing the buttons. And we are humans, we have emotions, so we have thoughts do come out, but we should have to be remain focused. That's why I try my best to stay away from chaos. I want to have peace, stay away from girls, all that stuff. This is what my goal is right now, to be chasing, and working on myself on this really, because I struggle a lot on my focus. I have focused, struggle a lot. I can also say that maybe because it's been years I have not been really focused on anything. I remember in COVID I was focused on one thing. I was like, and that was the best time I had with myself. And now just getting to that stage again. I was like, no, it may take some time as well. But so far, this is how it is going on. But this is more like my personal stuff. I should not be discussing in here. As we are going down, this monthly fair value gap. Hi. We did not hold this area yesterday. I was anticipating yesterday we could hold and go up, then go down. A little bit of reaches, then go down, but we did not hold this area. And so far in 4 hour time frame, we have created this. high, this 4 hour time frame candle high, this is today's high as well. So this is what I was leaning into. I was like, this is today's high as well. If market like, we're still bearish, so any high above the previous high on 5 minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, I will be looking to go for a short. And or the second possibility, any higher low on 5 minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, while we are bearish, why should I will be looking to go for a short. So in that case scenario, if you could see in here, these highs, these are these highs, these are the 4 hour time frame high from highs yesterday. We have corrected these highs, we went down. After that, we have created this 4 hour time frame high. Still, market is creating 4 hour time frame higher lows on charts. After this high, we have this high. This high has been knocked off. We don't need to be considering this. But after this high, we have this higher low. So still, I'm anticipating right now that we always have two possibility. Maybe could disrupt the highs, then go down. Maybe higher low, then go down. And I'm confident on trades when market do create higher low. It shows that it really wants to go down. It gives us a strong good risk management trade as well. So for example, we have this is the today's 4 hour time frame candle high. After that, we have this is the 4 hour time frame high. So we are going down. If you could see in here, we have been going down and down and down. So I'm anticipating right now if market not to go above this high, coming back down, we're bearish, invert this fairly gap, disrupt these lows, this low, and go to 86K from here if it has a potential to do this. This is what it is I'm watching right now. And I can only see this if I have to be taking any kind of trade. I can only see this right now. If I have to be taking this is the 1 hour time frame fairly gap. We don't need this fairly gap. I've just kept this in here. This is quite a big 1 hour time frame fairly gap. 30-minute time frame as well. And we have these 15-minute time frame fairly gap. I've just highlighted this one for now. Let's see. I wanted to see how market would react to this range if it has a potential to disrupt those highs and be bullish. Maybe disrupt those highs then go down, or maybe keeping these highs then go down. So this is already telling me a job. This is it's a 9:43 right now. I have not listened into this at all. I don't know what's happening as well. Dows. Dows is in America. US. Which country? It's a Switzerland. So this is still going on, man. I don't know what he's saying. There's a delay. Have to say prayer, man. So guys, just give me 5 minutes. I'll be back. We'll be keeping an eye on my minutes. I have to say prayer. Sorry guys, I'm back now. If you guys could hear me, can you hear me? You should hear me. So, just keep an eye on just very closely on this, guys. I do anticipate this could be the top. There's one more caveats to this, that we may not go down because the way we open on weekly time frame, and Monday Tuesday was bearish. We could close bullish this week the way we opened, but watching this monthly time frame, even though we may close bullish, but I I think so we can go to 86, at least we can go to 86. Maybe we go up after that. We'll be watching observing this. So this is value area high point of control. This is what I'm looking for, the value area low of the range, which is 86k approximately. So most of the time we will be doing what? Just watching and observing, not saying anything. Let's look at this rejection. Why market slow down at this range? I do anticipate this is my top. The way we close on 5-15 minute time frame, I'm anticipating it should have to invert this Fibonacci gap. Tends to be bearish to these lows, this low, and then 86k. We have to be leery because this is something going on in here. Go to live. Let me refresh this one. There is a delay in his speech, so we have to keep it down, job, man. This is what I was thinking about in 4 hour time frame, if we could have just gone down from there. If we close like this on 1 hour time frame, we may not go down, but as long as we are trading below this high, I'm bearish. Looking for low levels. I'm anticipating this is my top now. 89.96 is 66. We have to be leery, man. So far, this is a choppy session going on. After 9:30, look what we have done. Not, nothing. Yes, this guy is still speaking. So he's saying something, man. I don't know. Need to highlight this eye as well. This is a quite important hire. We could be just bullish from here, which is possible, but as we're bearish, that's what I'm anticipating. It could possible just disrupt. It could just disrupt this high, then go down as well. And it may not be bearish because we have been. Look at this. How many days we have been going down from Thursday last week, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. It's more like 5, 6 days. 6 days we have been going down. So we cannot deny at least one day we could be bullish as well. But I'm leaning bearish. Like if for example we if we could go up, like what level we could go to. The only level I can see which is this monthly failure high. That's it. And at this point we have this last week low as well. Last weekly low as well. To these two lows as well. 9200 approximately. So this is what it is I'm watching right now. So far it's a complete choppy session going on. Don't need to push irrational buttons. Don't need to be like crazy on jaws. 89,900. Look at this out. It's 10 o'clock. And we have to keep in mind it's just 10 o'clock. And I also have to keep in mind I have to go for my job as well. It's 3 o'clock. So I have to leave 5, 6, half past 5 least. At 6 o'clock I wanted to leave home. I'm not sure if I can take my car. We'll see. If I take my car, it's be 1 hour 30 minutes drive. We don't need to be shorting the market in here. We can always get a trade inversion of this 15-minute time frame failure gap. So far, if we close like this on 1 hour time frame, we may not go down. Like we have closed already. So this is the last 1 hour going on 4 hour time frame candle as well. And the way we close in 30-minute time frame, we may not go down as well. This is also 30-minute time frame gap as well. Have to believe it. We have to be really pushing the buttons, man. I'm just watching these higher highs, and if we go above these highs, this there will be weakness on here. Let's see. Cannot push the buttons right now, bro. I would just want it to be one-sided. And there's no point pushing the buttons against your edge and pushing the buttons for aggressive trades. There will be only one. There will be only like only those trades will be taken will be patience and where my risk management will be very small. I know pretty much. I'm pretty much known as well that these kind of trades you do not get every single day. Yesterday we've seen that there was a very good trade, risking a very small amount. Could not be able to take that, but these kind of trades I will show you. These kind of trades I would like to trade when market is aggressive, and then it trade very close to the our anticipated top, anticipated long bottom, and just invert from there. In that case, like, you're risking very small amount, and then you'll be out from the market within a minute. Just good God, just good God. You'll be risking very small, and at that point, market has to be aggressive. This is the only kind of setup I like to trade for now. So far, it is going up. I'm just keep an eye on these highs. Like it seems to me, it wants to go up. Like if it go up, it will be creating another high, and I can see a weakness. Could be a weakness on our side. Maybe a 5 minute time frame too. But this is a 1 minute time frame. We have to be leery. Look at this, the way we got the bounce. I was not anticipating this. Where is this? I want to see because this is delay. Let me see. Let's see this one. BBC. Hmm. Nothing really happened there. Just wanted to listen to what he's saying. This. So yeah, I'm just keeping an eye on these horizon. There's weakness on our side. This is on 1 minute time frame. We have to be careful. This may not play that. So far, we are going up. And we are sitting still. This is the only level if we could show rejection from here, which is this monthly fair gap. Uh, So yes, we are going up so far. There's no sign that it wants to go down. We just have this 4 hour time frame after that 9900. Cannot deny we could have a bullish day. Maybe because it has to create this fairly gap in here at this point. For 6 days we've been going down, so at least we can say that today could be bullish. There's no denying about this. So far there's nothing for me to really to even anticipate. Only one thing is if higher high in here. If 91k. This is this 4 hour time frame high. Let's see if market has a potential to go there. because we're going up. I will be keeping an eye on from this side to this side as well, how market would trade. So guys, I'm not saying anything, just watching and observing. 3, 24, 4, 24, 5, 24. Look at the way it has gone down from there. The high of this candle is 599.5. Let's see what we have in here. This is this bearish divergence. Oh no, this is not. It's we have to keep in mind just 10:29 right now at the moment. This is what I was just telling myself for 3 months. I have been impatient, completely impatient. Or do this, do that. You have to be doing this. You have to be making this much money. Bro, sit still. Be patient. Things will come to you by itself, by yourself. Attract. Learn to attract. The same thing applies to every single thing you wanted to do in your life. You should not chase women. So now I'm anticipating. Look at this, the way 30-minute time frame close, candle close. This is the monthly favorable gap high as well. We have shown rejection. This is a complete rejection candle. Let's anticipate this is the top, and I'm pretty much in content with this as well. From this high to this high is this bearish divergence as well, and this is our bottom. I cannot take any trades until now. I can see only one thing, which is this bearish divergence. If and this is our bottom. If market failed to go down below this low, because if that bearish divergence is invalid, we should not have to go below this low, and then after that we'll be looking for previous highs. And we have to keep in mind there's nothing on charts on 15-minute time frame in here. 30-minute time frame as well. Just look at this. Low, 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 lower high, RSI. And 30-minute time frame as well. Do you think market has the potential to be like aggressively bullish from here? And then maybe going down, or maybe it could finish this and then go up. I wanted to see it should have to be finishing this, then go down. But There's only one thing I can see right now, which is this: if market is to invalidate this bearish divergence from this side to that side. This is on 5 minute time frame. It's not on 15 minute time frame, so we have to be leery. I would have been confident if this would have been on 15 minute time frame, but let's see. So far, you have to be leery, man, not push the buttons. So far, we have not taken any trade as well. You can see. Not doing anything right now. Do not feel like have. The only thing I can see is this higher high, which is this bearish divergence on 5 minute time frame. And locally we're going up as well too. We do get the bounce from this range. I wanted to show you guys, which is this daily fairly gap. This is this daily fairly gap we get the bounce from. This one. Which is this level. Get the bounce from there. So need 50% of the range. If you could see in here, we got the bounce on daily. Look at this daily time frame highs, and not sure if we could continue to be bullish. There's only one thing I can say, which is this: if this is invalid bearish divergence, So far, a choppy session, man. You have to try your best to avoid not to be pushing any kind of button in these kind of days, and be patient. And this is your job as well. And your job is to be in a present, give your everything. The moment you are in front of the charts, the time you are in front of the charts, you have to give your everything. Oh my goodness, man. So far, it is choppy session going on, guys. I can see nothing from for me right now on charts. Even though in a 5 minute time frame as well, I can see nothing really. So 15 minute time frame. If you could just see in here, we got the bounce, create 15 minute time frame value gap, just wicked inside it, went up, disrupt this high, monthly value gap. This could be your buy position in there, but do you think it would go to 91K? Let's anticipate. Sorry, guys. I'm watching because there was this higher high bearish divergence 5 minute time frame. Let's see if it give me this high 91k. Not to go below this low. This is the bottom I'm anticipating. We have too many levels in here. We don't need this. Don't even need this as well too for now. This is a 3 minute time frame fairly gap. I have to go to the new site today. I'm thinking how I was supposed to be travel. This is fucking way too far. Fuck you, man. Canada water. Jubilee. 460. And if I go by it'll take fucking it's in the middle of London. Just went down from there. I failed to go above this monthly high. You could say just on a bigger picture. I can see only one thing right now. This bearish divergence. That's it. On 15 minute time frame as well. Like high, high, low. This is our bottom. This is high. This is the only thing I can see right now. That's it. Your job is to be in front of the charts, to give you everything, and leave rest to the God. This is your job. To be in front of the charts for 16 hours in a day. Speed camera. Chizik. Speed camera. This is not finishing up. It's going to take me to all the way from London. Oh, still not finishing. 17 miles, man. I'm checking my because I have to go for night shift, so location. But still fucking not finishing. What is this, man? It will take 2 hours for me to drive. I would be mad if I can't drive. It's still there from there. This is for other side of London. It's better you go by train, man. Because it takes too much time. Look at this, that's why I fucking hate these jobs. Saving money, man. Saving even a penny.
Was a fear. Discipline is our currency, so that's what separates us from everybody else. This proper literally. How do I pull my ribs in, or how do I straighten up my hip, or how do I slide my the bottom? So often I get questions from people looking like this or like that. So this is the action you need to understand. How to close your ribs while your shoulders stay open. If you have enough flexibility in your shoulders, you can do this with ease. If you're not compensating like this or that, then you need to stretch. Start every handstand session with some variation of this exercise. Don't forget to bring your lats into the game. 2-3 sets, a minute per set or something like that. Then your first handstand is a close to wall, face to wall handstand. Pull your ribs and chest off, push your shoulders up and towards the wall. If you don't understand how to pull your ribs off, then do this again and try to think how you work now with your lower back and top back. Make sure you're not too far away from the wall because that gives you room to compensate in awkward ways. You also need to do a crazy lot of tuck work. Go close enough to the wall that it becomes challenging, and then do tuck work freestyle. This is now your everyday handstand practice. You need to do that again and again and again and again, and your line will improve. How? Excuse me. Where do I know you from? I'm sure I've seen you before. No? What's your boyfriend's name? No? I'm Teddy. Nice to meet you. You're cute. What's your favorite position? The crew's all, the crew's all here. Every reason you need to keep your trade open. If there's not reason, we're out, right? How long can it go down?
So guys, I'm starting using phone. Sorry guys, oh my goodness. Starting using phone and social media, doom scrolling. What do we call doom scrolling? I can see only one thing right now, but as we're bearish, this is a rejection from a monthly fair value gap high as well. We could be going down, inverting this fair value gap to these lows as well. Cannot deny this. This is a new 4 hour time frame candle as well, and we could just hold this area as well because this is this daily fair value gap. So sitting still, which is boring, and I love to do that. So we don't need this. Still, we are bearish overall. We cannot deny. So bearish case scenario, this could be our top because this is already a rejection from monthly fair value gap high, and then can anticipate it should have to invert this fair value gap, which is this 1 hour time frame fair value gap, and quite big fair value gap, which is also 15-30 minute time frame fair value gap as well too. And from here inverting this and going down, or it could just hold in this area as well, remain sideways, which is also possible. But you cannot deny this, like as we are still bearish, I believe we still have to finish this business on downward side. We can anticipate it could invert this value gap. There's no denying about this. What did I not? It's 4:30. I'm anticipating because we are bearish. This is the monthly higher time frame high rejection. This could be our top as well. Could be inverting this very gap going down as well. Cannot deny this. This is the only thing we can anticipate now. If it has to do this, it should have to tends to be bearish. And inverting this early gap tends to be bearish. Let's see. If it has to tends to be bearish, it should not have to go above these highs. It should have to go down from here. Not to go above this side, not to go above this side. I have to check the time for the prayer as well, and then 4:34, 6:11. not saying anything, not doing anything, just anticipating because we're bearish. We could invert this early gap, go down. In that case scenario, we should have to keep this early gap open. 5 minute time frame. Because this is a daily fairly gap, 15-minute time frame fairly gap, VWAP as well, we could hold this area as well. And we could be closing bullish today, creating this fairly gap. And from tomorrow onwards, we are going down. Because we have been going red for 6-7 days. Can anticipate a bullish close today. There is no denying about this. So far, I have not taken any trade, just sitting still. This week, we have just taken how many trades? Just one trade. Just a good trade, not bad trade. Was not risking very small amount. Got stripped out. Um, the reason is I was trading against my edge, and yeah, yesterday we have seen a couple of two, two, two trades. Could not be able to take them. Don't need to be pushing. You don't need to be. You don't need to be in a rush to make money. This is what I've been doing for three months, man. Last 3 months. 2 3 months, I was like, push yourself. You have to be trading. You have to be pushing the buttons. You have to be looking for scalps. No, you have to give you everything. Just trade your edge. Just trade your risk management. And sometimes you can miss the trade because the market could be aggressive. You have to accept all of those things. Anticipating if invert this favorably gap, market could go down to 87, 700. We're trading at 89, 89. Let's see. So far, we are going down. If we could see in here after rejection from this area, let's see. We continue to be bearish from here. Look at this, man. Because you're bearish, you can't. If a normal trading day, I would have not anticipated like we're going down. I'm anticipating we could go down. The reason is we are bearish overall. This is a rejection already. You wait for the rejection only on these kind of levels, which is a strong level of resistance. We are bearish overall. But for me to get into trade in here, which is difficult. This is difficult to trade in here. So now I'm just give me 87,700. Do not feel like I have to push any kind of buttons right now because my risk management should be defined. My target, I'm chasing this one, but still my entry is not defined yet. I do not want to enter a market in here and put my stop loss there. No. Go down, go down. I cannot do anything about this. We'll be only looking for a trade like this. If it get low high in here, like these kind of, then went up. And this happened 840. I can go for a short right now because I do believe we could be going down. The way we're going down, it is quite aggressive. You should have to keep this value gap open, keep these open. But I do not want to chase that. It's better just sit still. Those trades you're looking for, and those trades in which you'll be risking a very small amount, if you just sit still, it will come up to you by itself. You have to not to be rushed. You have to not to be like chasing that setup. And the same thing applies to somebody you're looking for to as a partner, like as a man, or if you have like looking for a partner or something. You have to be a flower and let the bees attract it toward you. Yeah, and the bees are women. You have to be a nice flower and let the bees attract it toward you. Those are the ideal good relationships. The same thing applies in trading. You have to just sit still. Don't need to. I'm not saying you don't need to try. You should try. You cannot say that, oh, if you never spoke to a girl and then she would be, you'll find it. No, you should give it a try, man. You should. So somebody attractive to go up to her, tell her, yeah, you're good. So what would she say? No, it's fine. You go to the next one. But you never betray anybody. Yeah, never play with emotions. So now it has been aggressively going down. I want to see if it keep this value gap open. I just wicked into this and then go down. Looking for 87, 800. Look at this, man. It is difficult. You always have two possibilities. Either way, market could carry it low, then go down. If it is bearish, bullish, it could disturb the previous high, then go down. And this is difficult to go for a short in here because This is difficult, man. Not difficult. Easy. Here's what new four candle, man. Look at this candle. Your job is to sit still. That's it. Let me see if we can find something on Solana because I was watching Solana as well lately. So would you anticipate a swing short in here? Can I take a swing short on Solana in here? We could be knocking all of those lows because we are bearish. Bitcoin is bearish too. My stop loss will be above this previous this hour. 131.30. And we will be looking for all of those lows. Because we are bearish. Stop loss will be above this hour. We're looking for this low. It will be 2 hour trade. If it played out. Initial stop loss should be there. Yeah. What do you think? You should have to push these buttons for Solana, or should have to not? Let me see Ethereum. Because with the same thing we do anticipate on no, we cannot trade on Ethereum now. Because I was just looking for these lows on Ethereum. And it has already went down. So yeah, this is the fair value out. I want to see it keeping it up, and it will be great. And we cannot deny we could be going now 86,500. There could be still a trade opportunity. I would say that after these lows, you can anticipate a continuation toward low levels. So look at this. This was this our high bearish divergence. Huh? This was the low. So I usually prefer to be invalidate this bullish divergence, but this bullish divergence too played out. So you have to anticipating invalid bullish divergence or bearish divergence or valid bullish divergence. Or bearish divergence. So this is how it is. You should never chase this market, because look at this. At this point, I was just anticipating it should keep this open. Two went down, then went up. You cannot chase the market in there. Should never do this. Can see that so far there is no trade for me. So just sitting still, practicing, which is very important. Learn how to read the market. So when you show rejection from this range, but do anticipate it could invert this early gap, go down. Two went down. We have not taken any trade at this point while it was going down. I did not feel like I have to push the buttons because my risk management was not defined. I was always pretty much in content with this. We could hold the area, then go up as well. Two went down. So look at this. It just went down, guys. The only thing I'm looking for continuation to 86.5k, which is this one, which is not too far. We could go to 86k as well from here. We do went up tab into this 1 minute technical gap, then we're down. Give me these ones now. 86,500, 86k from here. Don't need these levels now. Look at this on VWAP, it should give us nothing on VWAP. Give me 86,500. So far, I do not feel like I have to be pushing the buttons by any means because my risk management is not defined. So just watching and observing. This has been a great candle. 4 hour down from. It's 11 just 11:58 now. Still have this afternoon session left. Look at this high bearish divergence valid going down because overall we're bearish. That's why. Low, 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 high. It is 87, 86, 400 I'm looking for now. If I can be able to get entry, it will be great. It should not have to go above this 15-minute time frame. Let's see if the next 15-minute time frame, if this could give me entry. Should have to continue to be aggressive, not to go above this high. My top is defined now in here. Cannot enter now. I will be risking way too much. This 15-minute time frame candle, I'm anticipating a top. It's a 12 o'clock as well, so can anticipate it first. 10 to 15 minutes time frame like a bullish upper side price action. 88. Could be just rejecting from there because this is the previous low as well. This is this 3-minute time frame value. Let's check the weather as well, bro. Because it's raining and then I have to travel. Oh my goodness. It will be raining all the time. I hope I get the time to sleep, man. Because I'm up already at 5 a.m. So I have to night shift. So just tapped into this um 3 minute time for fairly gap. This is already previous low as well. Can I go for a shot? 909. I'll be risking quite a bit. Let's anticipate a short position. Stop loss is just there because it has this is a 3 minute time frame. This is already a rejection from previous low as well. You have to keep in mind it's just a 1203. This is a 15 minute time frame gap. So look at this. This one did not play it out. We have to believe we're pushing the buttons, but I'm anticipating this previous 15 minute time frame high. It is 88500, which is this one. This is my top. Should have to keep this rolling gap open. And from here market go down to 87, 86, 400. Could just go down from here. Could go up. I will be confident if you go up and fail to go above this high. Or maybe this is 88 500. This on this one and this one is 88 600. These are the previous lows as well. 87 900. We have to keep in mind. I don't need to go above there. Could be just going down from there as well. It's 7:07, man. I have to go for my job as well too. I wanted to go 6 o'clock, leave the home. Can I go for a short look at this? This is hard low. 082, 068. This could be our top. These are 0668.7. Let's see market not to go above this 945.6. Let's anticipate a short position, guys. You can go for a short the way it has created higher low in here. The way this is this higher low, you can go for a short in here, and this candle you'll be risking just this high. I cannot take trade now because I'm way too risking too much. But for example, I should have to push buttons on this trade in here. Just stop loss there. Initial stop loss you can put there, but your stop loss technically should be there on this candle. And we are looking for a downside for a section. And you cannot deny it has inverted this value gap as well too. Never made a retest. It really shows it wants to tends to go down. I can just hit the level right now and let the trade run, but I cannot do now. I think I missed this trade. This is a good trade. Give me 87,400 now. Should not have to stop in here now. No way. Give me all of those lows. Can go to 87 as well. Look at this 15-minute time from candle. Can just hit the level. Can't do anything now. Now your stop loss should be at break even. should have to go down. Why it is not going down? That's why you have to keep your stop loss at break even now. Because it is bearish, I will give this a go. Look at this, guys. You have to be leery, man. I trading this. Look at this. This is a not bad trade. I would say this is not a bad trade. You're risking way too small, and yes, we do anticipate it should have to go down, but it not went down. It's fine. It's you're not anything, but you have to trail your stop loss as well while going down, or maybe you're out at break even. It is not a bad trade. I would say that. This was a break even. So what we have done in this whole session, we just have anticipated two trades on this throughout this price action. One anticipation was wrong. Initially, we do anticipated something in here. I do not remember. Something in here. I think I anticipate something. It did not play out. And the second anticipation we have done on um, right now, which is at break even. So I have not taken any trade. So for me, I like to be anticipating something before pushing the buttons. Anticipate, watch, observe. Anticipate, watch, observe. So we do anticipate, two went down. It was break even. So we have closed our position now. So let's see how it will go today. So I have to rush for my job, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.